To perform bird dogs using the key up maneuver, position yourself on all fours, engage your core in the key up position. While holding, lift opposite arm and opposite leg. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. You should keep your hips level while performing these exercises. When lifting your leg backwards, your leg should remain straight, in line with your shoulder, and not bow outward.